Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we are going to learn about how to perform a factory reset for Cisco ASA devices. If you are watching my channel very first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that any new videos that I will post in the future, it will get notified as a suggestion for you. From a command perspective, it is very simple, but all you need to make sure if you think you want to reuse the configurations, make sure you are taking the backup of the current config um, for future purposes or safety purposes, I would say. Um, Factory default is very simple. Just go into the configuration mode, factory default. That's it, and click enter. After doing this, within few seconds the device will be factory reset. You see, even the host name also got changed. So after this, the device is pretty much ready for you to do the new configuration, new set of configuration what you want to do. So everything is now back to the default configuration what the Cisco sends with the device. But except the iOS what you have in your device. Let's say you have the iOS upgraded from 9.6 to 9.12, and you are doing the factory reset. Once you do the factory reset, your device will have 9.12 iOS version only, not the one what it came with the device initially, right? So after you do this, make sure you do the right mem so that factory resetted configuration will stay in your device till you do the next set of configuration on this device hereafter. Alright, in the next step, we are going to configure the management interface in order for you to take the device through the management port and for doing the management operations hereafter. By default, if you look at the interfaces, the management interface will be default configured with 192.168.1.1. Let's also see other interfaces. You see all the interfaces are down except the management interface. I have the management interface cable also now connected, and I have taken the device through console port right now. Alright, I wanted to configure this management port in order for me to perform the management operations through my uh, layer 3 network. What whatever we have to do through management port as in day-to-day operations, like I may need to integrate the management port with my solar vents, or I may need to integrate that with my monitoring system, and if I have to do any code upgrades, iOS upgrades, I have to use the management interface only. Alright, I'm going to configure the management interface now. Just go into config T, just copy the interface management 00. Alright, and now we are into the interface mode. I'm going to configure the IP address. I have the device in a single mode, meaning I don't have any redundant device connected or HE device connected. So henceforth I'm configuring only one IP address. So name if and then security control, security level. By default, for inside we will give 100, right? Similarly, I'm giving for management also no shut, which is already no shut only. I'm just exiting from the interface level. Similarly, over here, putting show IP. I have the IP address configured now. I'll try to ping my default gateway 161.199.94.1. I'm able to ping. That's all, friends. In this step, we are completing the management interface configuration successfully.